everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a new video. This is one where I'm just going to be putting on my eyeshadow. I'm not going to talk you through it, but I will show you what I'm doing, and I'm just going to have some nice music playing in the background. So it's not going to be, it's a not chatty eyeshadow look. I don't know, I haven't come up with a name yet. If you have any suggestions, just list them down below. I'd appreciate it. So what I'm going to do is, I have a board on Pinterest where I have eyeshadow looks, things that just interest me, and I pin them there, and I never go and try to replicate one. Sometimes the colors will grab me or something. So what we're going to do in this new series, I'm going to pick a photo from my Pinterest page and try to replicate that eye look, or kind of put my own spin on it, because I know when I see some eye looks, I really like them, but I might tweak it up a little bit, do a little something different, but I'm not going to try to exactly match it, is what I'm trying to say. So, today I have my eye look, and I think I will post it here, wherever it goes. It's going to go on one of these sides. I'll scoot over, post it here, and then I will leave that up while I am doing my eyeshadow look. There, you can see the picture now. There it is. Boom. It's up. I love these colors. I have it on my phone, looking at it. Probably will darken my crease a little bit more, but we'll just see. I'm going to use my Modern Renaissance palette and my Colourpop Honey. So I'm going to zoom you guys in, and we're going to get started. Okay, there we go, guys. What do you think? Let me, I'll do a side-by-side for you. I'll put the eye look beside me. Let me zoom you into the finished look. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to do something a little different, and so I'm going to start doing these. I enjoy this. So if y'all enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up so I'll know that you guys like this kind of video. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you have any suggestions for me, let me know what colors, what look. So guys, thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.